Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to open a Oanda live account. The first thing I want you to do is come here to oanda.com, and then you can come here, click on a create account, or click on start trading right here at the top right. I'll click on create account right here, and it will redirect us right here. It'll ask you if you live in a specific country, and you want to say no if you are not from an applicable country. I'll ask you where you live, so I'll go ahead and scroll down here. Let's pick the United States. And now they'll ask you ready to open a trading account. Okay. And we'll do a real trading account. So here, click on confirm and continue. This is a real account, by the way. And then you just go ahead and enter your email address and you create a password. So that's our email address. I will go ahead and type in a password to use. It has been accepted. Click on confirm and continue. Okay. Remember, this is a real account, a live trading account, as you can see right here. And after this, you will proceed to fill in personal details. They'll ask you for your first name, middle name, last name, your suffix, Mr., Mrs., things like that, date of birth, mobile number. You confirm, and then later on, you just enter your citizenship details, your home address, you fill in your employment details, trading experience, and finally, you verify your identity with a card, your national ID or your driver's license. Really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash the like button, subscribe to App Mentor.